Oh my goodness, I'm an idiot. I am such an idiot. Use your head, man. Yeah, I think that's gonna look good. Man, I am starting to get excited. So I made myself a little jig here so that I can take measurements on these pieces of wood. So I'll make marks where these things are going to set on the panel, on the door, and then get them right lined up, right where they're supposed to be. Go ahead and I'm just going to weigh it down with something so it doesn't move quite as easily. And then I can use my little handy marking tool here to butt it up against there, scribe my line, and do the same thing here on this one. One thing I've conveniently left out of this video is the number of times I tried to cut precisely on the lines that I had scribed with my handy dandy tool, and the number of times that I had failed miserably at this. So after about an hour of frustration going back and forth to the miter saw, I finally got to this point where I realized that there was a much simpler solution to my problem. It's not off that awful bad. So I think what I'm going to do, why didn't I think about this? I can sand it down the rest of the way. Oh my goodness, I'm an idiot. I am such an idiot. Yes, Doug. Yes, you are. Now, why don't you go off screen and start sanding, where absolutely no one can see what you're doing. Now that is a good fit. Just use the sander and use your head. I don't know what my problem is. Sometimes things just don't occur to you. This is a good fit. I'm very, very pleased with that. So let's go ahead and move on and cut some more of these guys. So let's just get ourselves up to speed on everything that I've done so far with this bathroom vanity. I have the cabinet built, a hole cut for an access panel into our tub shower wall, face frame built. The face frame will not go on immediately. That will go on after I get it in the room. With it on, I can't get it through the door. I've got the drawer slides installed and all the drawers installed. I have all of my drawer fronts made at this point. I have the doors made. I've got the little X feature that's in the doors. I've got those all put in, so that's all ready to go. That's where we're at now. So what I'm going to move on to right now is filling some of those holes and little gaps and stuff in the doors with some Bondo, sand that down, and then I'm going to try to move on to actually installing the doors on the face frame. All right, that's where it stands now. It's been quite a journey. Alright, so I bought these Bloom hinges, and they come with very little instructions, and I found them on Bloom's website. However, I didn't find any specifics about how far up on the door itself they need to go from the bottom. It just said anywhere between 2 inches and 3 inches. So I think I will use this 3-inch mark because I think I like that. And let's just grab a door and see how that would actually look. Alright, so let's just get the face frame on the table, get everything cleared off here so that we can focus on the actual hinge installation. Why can I never find my pencil? Never. I can never find my pencil. The one that I want. The one that I like.
The little mechanical pencil. Oh, where is my pencil? Oh, where is my pencil? Oh, where is my pencil?
Alright, well, forget it. So I clamped the face frame back on just for now, temporarily. I've got all of my hinge latches, I don't know what you call those, in place. And now it is a moment of truth, seeing if everything lines up. Okay, door successfully attached. Slow close. Going, going, going. Oh, perfect, perfect. Now, there's a little bit sticking out here at the bottom. I don't have a positive stop there, and so I'm probably going to have to actually put something on the inside of the cabinet to stop the bottom from going in too far. Once I have something that's actually firm there, that should make it nice and flush. How will it be with the rest of them? And with 2 on at the same time. Good clearance on the close. I'll have to do some adjusting here. This is sticking out a little bit. But, oh man, look at that. Okay. Wow, nice. Sorry, I'm so jazzed right now. All right, let's just stick all of the drawer fronts and everything, both the doors on first, and see what this whole thing's gonna look like. Okay, there we go. And I have to say, I am just pretty happy right now with how this has all come together. I mean, it's just really cool to see a project that I've worked on here now really come together, and I still have a lot of work to do. I have to paint everything, attach the handles, and then there's all the interior work and getting the plumbing and stuff going. But man, I'm just really happy right now.